Show you how to change this form into this form. So the f of x is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c to f of x is equals to a times the square of x minus h plus k. We will be applying here the completing the square process. Completing the square process. So let me show you on this example. So first thing to do is you need to change your f of x into y. So let's make it y equals x squared minus 4x minus 12. And then next thing is we need to transpose our constant to the other side, or addition property of equality. Pwede rin po, mag-add tayo ng 12 kasi para mawala ito. So, remember kung ano yung ginawa mo sa right side, gagawin mo din sa left side. So, ito ay para maging 0. So, it will be y plus 12 is equals to x squared minus 4x. And then, that's the time you will do the completing the square. Yung 1/2 times your b, and then you will square. Okay? So, ang b natin this time is yung katabi nga ng variable x is negative 4 times 1/2. Commutative naman ng multiplication, and then we will square it. So, 4 divided 2 is 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So, 4 yung ilalagay natin dito. 4 din dito. Ayan. And then, that's the time gawin natin yung operation dito sa side, sa left side. So, y plus 16 is equals to, ito naman, gawin nating square of the binomial kasi this is a perfect square trinomial. So, x minus, and then square root ng 4 is 2, and then squared. And then, that's the time, kailangan natin itong ilipat dito by transposing it, or we will be adding or subtracting 16 by addition property of equality para ito ay maging 0, yung 16 minus 16. And then, yung y natin, ibabalik natin na maging f of x. So, dito, ang a natin ay 1, b natin ay negative 4, at ang c natin ay negative 12. Dito po, ang a natin is 1 pa din kasi yung number na nandito ay wala namang number, so considered yung 1. H natin is, dahil negative 2 to, that will be positive 2. And then k is, dahil negative 6 yun, remain pa rin yung sign niya. So, that's how you will change that form to this form by completing the square. First example. Next example, the given is f of x is equals to 3x squared plus 9x plus 13. Dito po ay iba yung, medyo kakaiba yung gagawin natin kasi this time class, ang ating a ay is not equal to 1. So, hindi lang siya basta x squared. Kaya may iba po tayong gagawin. And kung kanina, which is originally yung f of x gagawin talaga nating y. Pero this time, para hindi kayo malito, hindi po kayo malito, um, gawin na lang nating 0 si f of x. Pero pwede rin naman gawin yung y kung sanay na kayong mag-y. Ngayon, ang una nating gagawin ay um, ito ay ililipat natin sa kabilang side, sa side ni f of x, or we will be adding or subtracting 13 kasi plus 13 to para maging 0, we will subtract 13 on both sides para yung ating constant ay mawala dito sa right side natin. So that is the application of the addition property of equality, or ako kasi transposition lang yung ginagawa ko. Okay? So naging 0 yon. So ito na siya. Ayan. At dahil nga po may a tayo, I mean a is not equal to 1, we will be factoring it out dito sa right side. So, yung a natin is 3, factor natin. So, 3x squared divide 3x squared na lang. And then, 9x divide 3 will have 3x. And then, that's the time na magkakaroon gagawin na natin yung completing the square. If you remember, we will be adding the square of half of our b, which is this time 3. Pero, ito po. Okay? If a is not equal to 1, ganito yung formula na i-add natin sa left side or dun sa f of x side. Okay? So, we will be getting the square of the half of b, and then we will be multiplying it by our a. Remember, you will do this kapag ang a natin ay hindi equal sa 1. And then, pero, yung square of half of b, yun pa rin yung i-add natin para sa completing the square, para magkaroon tayo ng perfect square trinomial side. Okay? So, let's do it now. Kunin muna natin yung 1/2 times 3 and then squared. So, that is 3 over 2. Pag in-square natin yan, dito ko na po isusulat, that is 9 over 4. At dahil nga po may a tayo, yung i-add natin dito, ito nga po ulit po yung formula, yung half of our b, square natin, ito times natin dun sa a. So, ito yung in-add natin dito, diba? I-times natin sa 3. So, 3 times 9 is 27 over 4. At hindi naman na ito masisimplify, kaya 27 over 4 na yan. Okay, let's do this. 4 yung LCD. This is 52 plus 27. And then itong side na to, factor natin as a square of binomial. So, x plus x dahil square root nito, plus dahil dito. And then, yung square root nito ay 3 over 2. Kasi square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 2. And then yung square. Then let's solve this side. So that is still 4. And then 27 and negative 52, that is negative 25. And then that's the time na ililipat natin to this side by transposition. We will change the sign or APE ulit. So, pag ginawa nating APE, magpo-plus lang tayo ng 25 over 4. Plus tayo ng 25 over 4 para maging 0 to. So, and then, balik na natin yung f of x equals 3 times x plus times the square of x plus 3 half plus 25 over 4. Changing f of x is equals to a times the square of x minus h plus k into f of x is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. So from our standard form, we will changing it into our general form. So ito yung nakuha nasagot kanina. And then, babalik naman natin siya ngayon into general form. So, para mabalik yun, ang kailangan lang natin is, let's expand and change this into ax squared plus bx plus c. So, ang una natin gagawin ay i-expand muna natin yung square nito. So, that is x squared plus 2 times the first term and times the second term. So, 6x over 2 plus 9 over 4 and then plus 25 over 4. And then, distribute natin. So, it will be 3x squared plus ito pag sinimplify natin, it will give us 3. Yeah, so 3 times 3 is 9x. And then, ito walang masisimplify, magiging 27 over 4 plus 25 over 4. So, 3x squared plus 9x. And then, simplify natin to similar fraction naman na. So, this is 52. Okay, and then simplify natin. 52 divide 4 is 13. So, our general form is f of x equals 3x squared plus 9x plus ito ay magiging 13. And so, our a is 3, b is equals to 9, and c is equals to 13. So, bumalik tayo dun sa original given dito.